to our food channel,
Desi Fusion Kitchen.
Today we're going to be going over a recipe that Sashi created. We're calling it Indo Thai vegetable curry. And let's go over all the ingredients and then he'll show you how to make it.
The ingredients of this recipe are 8 ounces of tofu, 1 can coconut milk, 1 tablespoon karai paneer masala, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon kasturi methi, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 teaspoons of honey, 1 cup tomato sauce, half teaspoon red chili powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 chopped green chilies, half inch chopped ginger, and vegetables of your preference. So you can choose your own veggies as per your preference, but we have taken 1 carrot, 1 zucchini, 1 bell pepper, handful of spinach, half cup baby corn, half cup water chestnut, half cup bamboo shoots, some leaves of basil, 1 inch chopped ginger, and 2 chilies.
To prepare this recipe, we're starting off by cutting the tofu into small, long cubes. Okay, we're just gonna slightly shallow fry the tofu with a little bit of oil in the pan. We'll bake it till most of the moisture gets removed, so they're nice and crispy.
Let's get started with the base gravy or the curry of this recipe. This is the core part of the recipe, so let's make sure we get this right. So we will take a non-stick pan on a medium flame, and then we will use our 1 tablespoon of olive oil right now. Once the oil is hot a little bit, we will throw in our chopped ginger, green chilies, and cook them thoroughly for a couple of minutes. Once the ginger is cooked, we will add our 1 cup tomato sauce. Right after adding the tomato sauce, we will add our salt to taste, and then we will cook the tomato sauce for 2 minutes on medium flame. Once the tomato sauce start bubbling, this is the right time we add our 1 tablespoon of karai paneer masala. We will give it a good stir, and then at this stage we will also add our 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of red chili powder. We will cook our tomato sauce with the masalas for another couple of minutes. Once the tomato sauce is cooked with the masalas, we will add our 1 can of coconut milk. Once the gravy starts bubbling, it's the right time to add our tofu and the vegetables. So at this stage, if you believe the consistency of your gravy is too thick, you can add some water to it. This is the stage where we will add our 2 teaspoons of honey as well. We will give it a good stir after adding honey, and then we will put our final 2 ingredients, that is kasturi methi and garam masala. And that's it. Give it a good stir and our Indo Thai vegetable curry is ready to be served.
So good. This is one of my favorite things he makes. I ask for it at least once a week. Thanks.
Guys, try this recipe and let me know. Thank you.
You guys really need to make it. I hope you guys liked the video. So like, comment, subscribe to our channel. Thanks, guys.
See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell icon.
And ring the bell icon? What does that do?